Here in this video, we are very quickly looking at a specific concept that troubles many students, especially when they're studying limits. I'm Mr. Rich and I welcome you to this video. Take a look here at this depiction that we have. A specific function here is represented for you. When you look right here at the value a with regards to the function is not defined at the value a. You have a null value or an empty value. However, the function is defined with regards to this specific value right over here, output. What we have represented over here in terms of a limit is something like this. Limit as x approaches a, this function right here has a certain output. What would that be? Let's give some arbitrary values. This value here is b, this value here is c. What we do know here is that f of a is equal to c. The function is defined for the value a and the output is c. The function is not defined for the value a, but however, assumingly a output over there would be represented by b. The confusing aspect for students is this. What would they put here with regards to the output of this limit? As x approaches a, your function will approach b, and your answer should not be c. This right here, b, is the correct answer, and why would that be the case? The reason for that is you want to consider those values of x as they're approaching the left and approaching from the right to this value a. You want to consider those values which are close to or near a. Close to or near the value a. You do not want to consider those values which are a, where x is equal to a. You don't do your limit evaluations as this. Remember, limit as x approaches a means you are looking at values from the left and from the right, near to, close to x values approaching a, but not where x is equal to a. That's not how you're going to do it. This is the means by which you're going to do your limit evaluation. So you have to remember, when you look at a depiction like this, your answer should be b, even though the function is not defined at that specific value, but your output would still be, with regards to the limit, the value b, not c. Because I'll say it once more, when you are doing limit evaluations, you're looking at values of x approaching a, and you do your limit evaluations based on that, not where x is equal to a. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.